Infinity Gauntlet, a containment interface for 6 reality-class singularities integrated into a single reinforced chassis. When the fist locks, the system vents excess energy outward as a compact, controlled pressure impulse. HoloScan Online. We map mass, joints, and energy pathways. The Gauntlet routes 6 distinct spectra into one stabilized output manifold under continuous regulation. This is not armor. It is a precision regulator mounted directly on a living hand. Each socket behaves like a multi-dimensional cage, resisting phase slip. Overload is bled into the surrounding environment before it can backfeed into the user. Shutdown is stepwise and sequenced. It prevents resonance buildup between stones. Joints are reinforced to survive torque spikes during energy events. A finger flick becomes a focused field pulse, amplifying tiny motion into disproportionate force. Nearby matter vibrates. That implies coupling, not simple heat transfer. The effect propagates through structures, confirming direct field interaction rather than thermal diffusion. A wrist damper absorbs recoil, sparing bones and nerves. Impact tests show the frame survives, while the stand takes the punishment under stress. Thermal halos form at sockets. Heat is the inevitable price paid for precise control. The glow marks active regulation rather than energy loss. Each stone radiates its own noise signature. Synchrony is engineered. Calibration sequences isolate stones, then blend them under load for stable operation. Full output creates shear in the air itself, distorting the medium under extreme stress. The Gauntlet then clamps and stabilizes this shear to prevent uncontrolled spread and structural collapse. Balance mode redistributes flux to avoid a single-point runaway. An open palm can compress aerosols, suggesting localized space pressure control mechanisms. Residual glow indicates standby, not safety. The cores remain awake and responsive. Final model, a translator between incompatible infinities and one hand. Micro-tremors imply constant correction. Stability is actively maintained at all times. Risk zones cluster at the wrist. The user becomes the weak link. Emergency loops shunt energy into metal paths, buying seconds. Without a host, it idles like a sleeping reactor, inert yet still dangerous. Subscribe and look deeper into how fictional worlds actually work.